Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make yummy coleslaw. First, gather your fresh ingredients. You'll need 1 medium head of green cabbage, finely shredded, which is about 2 pounds. Also, grate 2 large carrots to add a lovely color and a hint of natural sweetness. Make sure your vegetables are crisp and fresh. This is key for that perfect coleslaw crunch. Preparing these fresh components is the first step to a delicious side dish. Now, let's create that creamy, tangy dressing. In a medium bowl, combine 1 cup of good quality mayonnaise with 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Next, stir in 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Finally, whisk in 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Mix everything thoroughly until the dressing is smooth and well combined, ensuring all the flavors are perfectly blended. With your dressing ready, it's time to combine everything. Pour the creamy dressing over your shredded cabbage and carrots. Gently fold the mixture until all the vegetables are evenly coated. Avoid overmixing, as this can make the cabbage watery. Once combined, cover the bowl and refrigerate the coleslaw for at least 30 minutes. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld beautifully, enhancing the overall taste. To achieve coleslaw perfection, here are a few extra tips. For the best flavor and texture, try to serve your coleslaw within 2 days of making it. You can also add a dash of celery seed to the dressing for an extra layer of savory depth. For a bit of zest, consider including a small amount of finely chopped red onion. Enjoy your homemade, delicious coleslaw as a perfect side dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.